So he purposefully did not leave any money to your sisters because he had no relationship with them, and that was his call to make.
Are they
Basically, he
misbehaviors?
didn't. No, he basically cut them off because they sided with our mother during their divorce.
Okay, so their team mom
ስለዚህ እቲ ቀንዲ ምኽንያት እንታይ እዮም ዝብልዎ ዘለዉ ናይ ኣቦኻ ውሳነ እዩ እዘን ደቁሲ ክልተን ገንዘብ ወይ ከዓ እቲ ናቱ ውርሻ ንኸይወርሳ ዝወሰነስ ኣቦ እዩ እቲ ምኽንያት ቀንዲ ከዓ ኣብ ግዜ ፍትሕ ምሰዲአን ወጊነን ምኻደን እዩ ግን ምሰዲአን ምውጋነን ጥራሕሲ እኹል ድዩ ከምኡ ጌርካ ማለት ቁርፅ ከተብል ገለ ዝብል ካልእ ሕቶ እዩ ግን ብድሕሪ ትፍትሕ እውን ምስ ኣቦን ርክብ ኣይነበረንን እንታይ ግን ምኽንያት ንዝብልካ ቀሲልና ክንሪኦ ኢና ኣብ መወዳእታ ሓሳብና ክንምድሕር ኮይና ሙሉእ ትሕዝቶ ናይቲ ኩነታት ክትሰምዕ ክትክእል ኣለካ ምናልባት ነብአን ምኽንያት ይህልዎን ኸውን ስለምንታይ ምስ ኣቦን ርክብ ክህልዎን ዘይደለያ ስለምንታይ ናብ ኣዴን ወጊነን ገለ ዝብል ምኽንያት ንሰምዕ ንኸውን
mom, you were team dad, and he goes, hey, I'm going to leave it all to my son who's been loyal to me.
Yes.
Okay. And now they're resentful because they feel like they deserve a portion of this money.
It seems like it, yes.
Okay.
ስለዚ ትቦ እዚ ወደይ ምሳይ ስለ ዝወገነ ኣብ ጎነይ ስለ ዝኾነ ንዑየ ዘውርሶ ኢሉ እዩ ኣውሪስዎ ተን ኣሕዋቱ ከዓ ኣለዎን ቁርብሲ ይግባአና ንዓና ዝብል ስምዒታት እውን ኣለዎን ማለት እዩ ካብቲ ገንዘብ ብኡ ምኽንያትን ከዓ እቲ ዘለና ዕዳሲ ክትከፍለልና ኣለካ ሓግዘና ገለና በላ ዝጭቕጭቆ ዘለዋ
I think this is more relational, emotional than it is financial. You could write them a check and pay off the loans, but I don't know that you agree with the principle behind it or that would have been your father's heart.
Well, yeah, what do you want to do? What's your heart lean towards?
Meet Every Dollar Budgeters, Christy and Steve.
Having the budget gave me
Now that's what we call
dollars.
I don't want to disrespect my father in any way.
ሕጂ እንታይ እዮም ዝብልዎ ዘለዉ ናይ ኣቦኻ ድሌት ዝነበረሲ ማለት ዘን ሰባት እዚአን ገንዘብ ንኸይረኽባ እዩ ነይሩ ስለዚ ሕጂ ስኻ ምናልባት ገንዘብ ሂብካ ነዚአን ካብ ጥቐን ዋላ ክትርሕቕ ትኽእል ኢኻ ዝኾነ ክትገብር ትኽእል ኢኻ ግን እቲ ናይ ኣቦኻ ድሌት ንሱ ድዩ ነይሩ ከምዚ ነቦኻስ ትኸድዖ ዘለኻ ኮይኑ ዶ ይስማዓካ ዝ ዓይነት እዮም ዝብልዎ ዘሎ ምክንያቱ ትቦ እንድሕር ክህበን ዘይደልዩሲ ምናልባት እቲ ናይ ኣቦኻ ውሳነ ዲኻ ተኽብር ወይስ ባዕልኻ እውን ንስኻ እውን ሰብ ኢኻ ናትካ ተሓስባ ኣለካ ኣቦን ዓይገዲፍለይ እሞ ኣነ ከዓ ናተይ ክውስን ኣለኒ ኢልካ ኢኻ ክትውስን ዘለካ ወይ ናይ ኣቦኻ ውሳነ ከተኽብሮ ኣለካ
Okay.
Do you have a relationship with your
me,
sisters? Or is it estranged as well?
It's estranged.
Okay.
So they've only come to me only for very unique cases or when they were going to college or grad, they came to both my father and I for money. My father, I know I was there, my father refused to pay for them, and that's why they have the debt to begin with.
So it's been transactional, this entire relationship.
But can I ask, because here...
Yep.
Well, جس مسيحواته ولا أبوت راح زي كونه ولا زحوان مسيحواته بزح ركوب أين ورا مسنا والد ما أسيهم ده ترى نيركم مسبولو نكولج خدا خلا ويستفى عليه جنزة من حراد لي وانت راح نزمت أنا نيراني زوجله نعمت كولج تمر